Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome again to another edition of DIY project. Today we'll be making a traditional Isiagu men's hat. I'm going for a size large. Regular size is usually 22 inches circumference, but I will be making 23 inches circumference. So I'll be attaching more cardboard to it to get the desired length. Yeah, this is 23 inches plus a few extra to glue it together. You will also be needing more of this, a lighter cardboard for the inside. The thicker one is for the outer part of the hat, then the light one is for the inside. Watch and see. You will need at least half an inch extra fabric at the end of this for the joining. Okay, because when you join it, you need to use the fabric to cover it up, make it look clean. Now you get your lining for the inside. I know some people use elastic. I prefer to use this. It's easier, it's cleaner. Now you trace a cardboard for the top of the hat, and when you trace it before you cut it, you add a few centimeter, just a few allowance Now this is naked foam that I will be putting on top of the hat. It's gonna be on the surface, so I'll put the cardboard on top of it, then the fabric will be laying right on top of the foam. I haven't used this before, but I have always thought that I'm gonna use it at some point to see what it feels like. You can check other videos that I made, the hat videos where I did not use the naked foam, just the cardboard. So this is to say that it is totally optional, but I like the feel of it, so I'll be using it more. Now the main fabric goes right on top of the foam, while the lining will be on top of the cardboard. Just see how it goes. Now you put the lining, black cotton fabric for my lining. Put it right on top of the cardboard. So let's keep watching and see how the rest of the process goes. Please do like and subscribe to my channel so that I will be encouraged to keep posting. Hit the like button, click subscribe, and make your comment. If you have any question, go ahead and post it. I will respond as quick as I can. This is when you begin to give the hat the shape you want it to be. I like to have a little bit of a pointy front, then the back will be a little wider, not really triangular, but it will look like that. That's the shape I'm going for.